Want a working lobby where players wait before the game starts? Here's how to create a simple lobby system in Roblox Studio. Step 1. Create the lobby map. In Roblox Studio, design your lobby area with spawn points. Add a start game part like a button or pad. Step 2. Set up a local script to detect players. Insert this script in the server script service. Step 3. Create the remote event in replicated storage. Insert a remote event and name it Start Game. Step 4. Create a client script to trigger game start. Put this in a local script inside the start button. Now you have a working lobby. Players load in, wait in the lobby, and teleport to the game when someone starts it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.